Modern life runs on rules, responsibility, and risk. When something goes wrong, the question is simple. Who is responsible and who will pay? These questions shape many systems around the world, but nowhere do they matter more than in the United States. In the United States, insurance is not just about protection from accidents, it's about protection from legal consequences. A small mistake can become a legal claim. A simple accident can turn into a lawsuit, and that lawsuit can affect your finances for years. That's why Americans take insurance seriously, not because they expect accidents, but because they understand liability. The U.S. legal system allows individuals to seek compensation when harm occurs. This can include physical injury, emotional distress, property damage, and lost income. Filing a lawsuit is not unusual in America. It's a standard legal option. This doesn't mean people enjoy lawsuits. It means the system is designed to resolve responsibility through courts. Medical bills are extremely high. Missing work means lost income. So when someone gets injured, seeking compensation becomes a financial necessity. One of the most common causes of lawsuits in the United States is car accidents. Even a low-speed crash can lead to emergency room visits, physical therapy, and weeks off work. At that point, the issue is no longer car damage. It becomes a legal and medical problem. When injuries are involved, auto insurance is not about fixing vehicles. It's about handling liability. If the other person files a claim or lawsuit, your insurance company provides a lawyer. They handle negotiations. They pay settlements or court judgments. Without insurance, your personal savings can be taken. Your wages can be garnished. Your assets can be at risk. This is why liability coverage matters more than the value of the car itself. Lawsuit risk doesn't stop with driving. It also exists at home. Many people think home insurance only protects the building. That's not true. If someone slips on your stairs, falls on your driveway, or gets bitten by your dog, you can be held legally responsible. Homeowners and renters insurance include liability coverage. They provide legal defense. They handle injury claims. They pay settlements when required. Renters also need insurance because lawsuits are about responsibility, not ownership. Insurance does more than pay bills. It manages risk. It protects your legal responsibility, your financial stability, and your long-term future. Insurance companies have legal teams, claims specialists, and years of courtroom experience. Most individuals do not. Without insurance, you face the legal system alone. Sometimes lawsuits exceed standard insurance limits. $300,000 is not always enough. $500,000 may not be enough either. That's where umbrella insurance comes in. Umbrella insurance provides extra liability coverage on top of car and home insurance. It protects against serious lawsuits that could otherwise destroy finances. This type of coverage is common among middle-class families, professionals, and property owners. It's not about luxury, it's about exposure to risk. Living without insurance in the United States comes with serious consequences. Legal fees can rise quickly. Settlements can last for decades. Bankruptcy becomes a real possibility. Many financial collapses in America are connected to legal and medical costs. Insurance doesn't remove risk, it controls it. Americans don't stay insured because they trust luck. They stay insured because they understand consequences. Insurance allows people to live normally, take responsibility, and recover from mistakes. It's a system built around accountability. Insurance in the United States is not perfect, it isn't cheap, and it isn't optional for most people. But it exists for a reason. It protects individuals from legal and financial collapse in a system where lawsuits are part of daily life. Insurance doesn't stop accidents, it stops one mistake from becoming a lifetime problem.